Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about this product, and I have been sent this product for review, and I used it for a week now and I really enjoyed it. I really loved how compact it is. It's from the brand called Tyson and it's their massage pillow, and it has like both a car adapter and like your normal adapter. You can connect both to this pillow and you can use it in your home or car wherever you feel like. And on the box you can see you can use it on like different parts of your body. You can use it on your neck, your back, your thighs, your abdomen, your like calf area. So it's like really good and relaxing, and I used it, like I tried to use it like in all the areas which they have like advised, and I loved it for my abdomen. It was like really fun and relaxing there. Then I tried it on my neck. It was a little hard there, and I tried it on my back. It was really relaxing on my back too. So I mean, I loved it on my calves, my abdomen, and on my back. It was a little hard on my neck. So yeah, so this is the product, and you can see it has like bandage design. Here is the plug for on and off, so it has like different features. I'll show you once I powered this on. And at the back you can see there's a power socket and there's an elastic thing, so you can put it over your car headrest and like enjoy the massage. I don't recommend it personally because while driving I don't think I'll use it. And you have this zipper thing here, and you can pull the zip if you want to, like, you know, clean it up or something like that. You can totally do that. I haven't tried that, but yeah, there's a zip, so maybe this thing comes out. And here are the two power cords which are available, and this is the box, and it has like two models. I got the one which is at the back, which looks like this, and I think this was for $34. I'll put the link to this product and any discount coupons I have in the description box so that you can try it out. Now I'll just power it on and show you guys how this thing works. So guys, here you can see I just connected the cable and connected the adapter to my wall socket. You can use same thing with this car adapter. Just plug it here, like join it here and then plug it into your car or charger thing. And so guys, I'll show you the feature of this pillow now. If you turn it on, you can see four massaging or the kneading heads, and heat function is on and it's revolving clockwise. So if you want to revolve it anti-clockwise, push it again, so it will start revolving in opposite direction. And you can see how this thing is like malleable or like you know, very bendy. So like you can get like proper massage. And now I'm like pushing it third time. Now you can see the heat is turned off and you can just take relaxing massage. So if you don't want any heat, you can do like this, and when you press it fourth time, it's off. So those are the functions for this massaging pillow. And yeah, I used it on different parts. I already told you how I like them, and I think this is like really good, really compact massaging pillow. Yeah, I know I reviewed a similar product few days back, but that's a huge chair and I can only enjoy it in my home. This thing is something like you can take to your office, you can put it in your car, or you can enjoy it while watching TV at your home. So that was all guys. I'll try to put a link to this product and discount coupons if I have any in the description box below, so that you can get discount on this product. For now I'm enjoying this. I like how comfortable and compact this thing is, and you can use it on like different areas of your body. So I like it in my bed, massaging my calves or my abdomen area or my back area. I mean, it's really good. So that's how this product looks like, and the brand is called Tyson. It's their in-car or at-home massaging pillow. So that was all for this product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.